What I got?
What is it? Is that the thing?
I'm gonna hide from Carrie and try to scare her.
Back in the RV, back in the RV, back in the RV, yeah! Guys, we did something cool last night. I want to show you how it turned out.
You'll be just fine.
Check it out. We got our master backsplash started, and it is turning out super nice. The other crazy thing that happened last night is we ran our first load of laundry. We washed a towel to test it out, and it works superbly. So here's what that means. Basically, when we are hiking or exploring or getting dirty, sweaty, whatever, in the national parks, I guess the regimen would be do our hikes, get dirty, come in, right? And in the evening, get your dirty clothes, put them in there, only room for about one load, and then take your shower, and then put on your PJs, put on your evening attire, and then when we go to bed, run the laundry, and then wake up and have a load to fold. So that's kind of going to be like our regiment. So that's our idea of how we think it will work. Let me see, what else can I show you? Yes. The light fixture. If you follow us on Instagram, then you saw that we replaced this light fixture. So that's awesome. We like it. It brightens up this whole space. We're working on finishing up this backsplash today. So this is gonna be kind of the look, and we're gonna carry it over top of the shower too. So I got this piece kind of ready here, and then we gotta carry that all the way around. And then we can put in our mirror. This is what our mirror looks like. But yeah, this went up pretty quick, and I won't say painless just because there's like a bunch of cuts you have to make and all that. But I'll show you a quick video of how that went up now.
I'm gonna hide from Carrie and try to scare her.
Why are you hiding?
Ah! It's done.
Look what I got.
What is it? Is that the thing?
The thing. Do you know what the thing is?
I think I know what the thing is. Something that belongs in here?
In here?
Yeah,
Like in this room?
in the RV.
Oh yeah.
Too bad you can't open it.
Do you have a knife somewhere?
Yeah, I do, but you can't have it.
Okay.
Okay. Do you know why this turned to Celsius?
No, I can't fix it.
Right now the room is set to 22 degrees Celsius.
I noticed that yesterday.
That feels
I
kinda
figured
nice.
Maybe we'll learn like what Celsius is.
What? We have a manual. That's your fix? Like, oh well. Guess I gotta learn Celsius. Oh, snap. Dang. So this is handmade, right?
Yeah.
The Rayfords. And here's a compass in case we lose our way.
I want to see it up here.
Yeah, that looks like perfect for the spot. Hey. Okay guys, it is the end of the day, the end of the work day. And we made some great progress today. So I wanted to just end the day by showing you where we ended up. It is super nice. And we just spent about 5 minutes, maybe more, just sitting here and just thinking about this whole process and how long it's taken to do this. We're really excited to be where we are. I ran it all the way around here, which gives this bathroom like a nice finished feel. Carrie just finished the paint on the washing machine shelf, so that is all the way done. But the bathroom's pretty much complete. We are going to get like a towel bar. We need to mount this a little bit more securely. It's only on one screw, and that will not work when we're hitting the brakes. And then other than that, inside of this shelves, maybe putting down some, like, I don't know if Target or somewhere will have like some paper product or something we can put down, because if you paint this and it just scrapes. But the thought for these is just nice baskets to kind of keep everything in and organized, but also look good. So if you know where we can get something for this, let us know. But this bathroom is a wrap. This was the biggest X factor, like if this was gonna work or not, and really happy that it did. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. Remember to like, follow, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna just take a nap in the RV now. We'll keep you posted.